Good afternoon, boys and girls. How is everyone? I'm William Tan, your English tutor. This program brought to you by Wisdom Shine Educare Penang. We're going to start our lesson, paper 2. Look at paper 2, section 8. Read the notes below and use the information to complete the following test. Class, game, number of participants. Participants meaning in Chinese is 参赛者. Standard 6, 6 landa, 6 kijang, 6 penyu, and 6 harimau. Okay, games, checkers, scrabbles, monopoly. Okay, only one student for checkers, Scrabble 4, Monopoly 2. Okay, for Kijang class, checkers 6, Scrabble 6, Monopoly 7. 6 Penyung, checkers 7, Scrabble 9, Monopoly 6. 6 Harimau, checkers 3, Scrabble 6, Monopoly 1. Okay, now your answer is here. Okay, check your answer. You can mark this standard answer. Okay, look at this. Based on the notes, complete the text below with correct information. SJKC Huaming is organizing a board game tournament, 锦标赛 tournament. There will be 3 types of board games at the tournament. They are Scrabble, Monopoly, and checkers. Okay, check your answer. The most popular game is Scrabble with 25 participants. The class with the fewest in Chinese 最少的 number of students participating in tournament is 6 landa. 6 landa, a few people only. Maybe all of them lazy. Meanwhile, 6 Penyu has the most 最多 number of participants with a total of 22 students. The tournament is going to be an exciting event. Check your answer. Please mark your answer. Use red pen. Page 28. Okay, next we go to another section. Okay, this is games, indoor games. Checkers, 黑白棋来的 checkers. And then Scrabble, that means you need to use the alphabet to form words. We call that Scrabble. And the last one is Monopoly. Monopoly, only the best. Okay, get the highest, the richest. Okay, for Monopoly games. It's a part of games. Look at page 31, section C, question 1. Write a story based on the picture below. You may use the words given to help you. Write your story in a space provided. Write your story between 80 to 100 words. Look at the words. Happy Children's Day. Decorate. 装置 Stage 台上 台 Banner is this one. We call that banner. This cloth, we call that banner. 9 o'clock. Speech 致辞 Magician 魔术师 Laughter 笑 Clap 拍手 Goodie bags 一个 bag 里面有装零食食物的，我们叫 goodie bags. Home. Okay. Begin your story with Last week, SJKC Taman Singa celebrated Children's Day. The teachers and school prefects worked together to... Okay. If you are ready, you just listen to my answer for your reference. Okay, to organize together, to organize the celebration. The celebration. Full stop. The day before the event, the prefects help the teacher to put up the Happy Children's Day banner on the stage and arrange the chairs and decorations. This is for first paragraph. Okay, second paragraph. On the day of the event, all the students came to school on the day of the event, all the students came to school dressed in their best. The event started, the event started at 9 o'clock. 9 o'clock in the morning. Full stop. First, the school principal gave a speech. The event started at 9 o'clock in the morning. First, the school principal gave a speech. Next paragraph. Next, comma, a magician perform magic tricks. All the children laugh. This is laughter. I put laugh. Laughed. Make sure you put, and clap at his performance. I repeat. Next, a magician perform magic tricks. All the children laugh and clap at his performance. After that, they were given goodie bags full of candy. Full stop. Everyone went home happy that day. Finish. Okay, for those who are unable to cope, okay, look at this. Last week, SJKC Taman Singa celebrated Children's Day. The teachers and school prefects work together to organize the celebrations. Full stop. The day before the event, the prefect helped the teachers to put up the Happy Children's Day banner on the stage and arrange the chairs and decorations. Please highlight. Okay, next, second paragraph. On the day of the event, all the students came to school dressed in their best. The event started at 9 o'clock in the morning. First, the school principal gave a speech. Highlight. I repeat. On the day of the event, all the students came to school dressed in their best. The event started at 9 o'clock. Please highlight 9 o'clock in the morning. First, the school principal gave a speech. Okay, last paragraph. Next, a magician, highlight magician, performed magic trick, full stop. A magician performed magic tricks. All the children laugh, highlight laugh, and clap at his performance, full stop. Laugh and clap at his performance. After that, they were given goodie bags full of candy. Everyone went home, highlight home, happy that day. Next, I repeat. A magician performed magic tricks. All the children laughed and clapped at his performance. After that, they were given goodie bags full of candy. Everyone went home happy that day. Yes, today our class is going to end shortly. Boys and girls, our lesson going to end. See you next week and hope you enjoy your lesson. Bye bye.